Today it's my mom's birthday. She will be 89 years old today. Happy birthday, mom.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, yes. And we're gonna have some champion breakfast this morning. We have here Sara roti and fry body. With some water to wash it down. Nothing on the side, nothing sweet today. Yes, me and my mom partaking in some breakfast. Happy birthday, mom.
Thank you, thank you.
Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food. Love you, love you. God's blessings to you. For now and for always. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Look at the water.